Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out if the installed Android apps or games are downloaded from Playstore or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So here we'll just try to find out if the respective apps or the games are downloaded from Play Store or not. So for this, so you can see a tons of applications icons on my home screen, right? So say let us try to check out the first application, say the Up Note, right? So just tap and hold on it and you can see a I button on the right corner and just tap on it. Now it will take you to the app informations, right? And just scroll down and here below you can see here one option, app details and store. So you can see here clearly mentioned app downloaded from the Google Play Store, right? So this applications is downloaded from the Google Play Store. So let us check about the other applications. Say I will just try to check this my files applications. So just do the same thing, tap and hold and just click on the I button and just scroll down below. Now you can see here below in the app details and store, it's written that app downloaded from the Galaxy Store. That means it is downloaded from the Galaxy Store, not from the Play Store. That means this application is not downloaded from the Play Store. So let us check more applications. Say this applications teamwork. So let me do the same thing, go the same options, and now you can see here app details and store, app downloaded from Chrome. That means it's not downloaded from any app store, that is it might be downloaded from some particular websites using a Chrome web browser. So it's showing that app downloaded from Chrome. So it's clearly mentioned this application also not downloaded from the Google Play Store. So let us try this game, that is a Clash of Clans. This is a game. So let us check whether it is downloaded from the Play Store or not. And let us check. Now you can see in the app details and store, app downloaded from the Google Play Store. So this game is downloaded from the Google Play Store. So by going to this options which I have shown you in this video tutorial, you can easily find out if the installed Android apps or games are downloaded from Play Store or not very easily. So if you never known about this option available on your respective Android smartphones, then you should definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.